be 6 factorials. Now the definition of n factorial, and here's the symbol for factorial, that exclamation mark. You take n, and then you multiply it by n minus 1, and multiply that by n minus 2, and you keep doing that, dot, 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 until you get 3, 2, 1. So we're talking here positive integer. Now, you'll see that it's convenient for us to define 0 factorial by definition, and I'll put here 3, like the equal signs with the 3, that means a definition. We define that to be 1. So an example here would be 3 factorial. It's right here on the end. 3 times 2 times 1, and that's equal to 3 times 2 is 6. That's 6. And then 4 factorial, you would just multiply the 6 by 4. That's 24. Okay? And 5 factorial, you multiply by 5. 5 times 20 is 100, and 5 times 4 is 20, so that's 120. The numbers get pretty large pretty fast. Now there's a double factorial, and the double factorial we have to be careful because we have odd and even cases for n. So let's try first the odd n with the double factorial. If you put 2 exclamation marks, and that's n minus 2, n minus 4, dot, 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 and since this is odd, you're going to end up with a 3 times 1, because it's an odd number. If it's an even number, then n double factorial would be n minus 2, same idea, n minus 4, but then since it's even, you'll finally wind up with a 4 times 2 at the end. So example here, 4 double factorial would be 4 times 2, and you're finished, because that's an even case. That's this down here. See the last 2 there. 4 times 2, and that's equal to 8. And then if you had a 6 double factorial, you would then have a 6 times 8. That would be 48. For the odd case, if you had 5 double factorial, you would have 5, then you subtract 2, you get 3, subtract 2, you get 1, you're finished. And that's, say, 15. So, we do have on occasion encounter 0 double factorial. And we would define that also to be 1. And if you're thinking about something like 1 double factorial, well, you wouldn't be able to subtract 2 and get anything, so we would just simply say that's a 1. Just like 1 factorial is equal to 1.